Cutest rabbit soft toy. This is the cutest rabbit soft toy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review about this cutest soft toy, that is the rabbit. We bring the softest, cutest and the most cuddly product in our review channel, that is product review. Today's review is all about the bunny plush toy, a must-have soft toy for babies, toddlers and all kids of all ages. This cutie, whether you're shopping for a newborn, a birthday gift or just to keep a toy for your collection in your house, this review is best for you. This is adorable bunny soft toy which is in pink in color, which is soft. It's soft and it is perfect for gifting for your little girls or gender neutral baby gift. It is lightweight, cuddly and feel like warm hug in your toy. What is this made of? Let's talk about the material. It is soft, plush fabric. It is BPA free and safe for babies to use it. Stitching is also very strong. And it is child friendly. It doesn't have any much plastic parts in it. And it is very good for infant to play with. This product is baby safe and ideal for newborns and even for toddlers. Even toddlers can play with it. Infant or newborn babies, anybody can play with this soft toy. It has a unique feature. It has a pink ear, pink and white ear. It has an adorable face. It has the eyes, two eyes, one nose and a mouth. It looks so very cute and it's very soft. It is in pink color and its ears in pink and white. You can find rabbit in many colors. Which is your color, favorite color? It is perfect for cuddles, for your toddler to cuddle, to have a nap with this soft toy. Great for sleeping. Especially baby love to hold it and sleep. I have to take a nap like this. I really like this soft toy. I have been experiencing when my baby was an infant, we become a toddler and now big as a kid. She still like this toy. This pink rabbit soft toy is perfect for your newborns and infant. It is very safe for your baby to use it. It is very easy to hold and play. Your baby can even pretend and play with this soft rabbit. It also holds a carrot. Nice carrot. For baby showers also, you can gift this. You can even add a collection to your toy. It's so nice. It's so soft that you love it. Parents are always looking for washable toys. They always like a washable toy. So soft toy. And they want it washable. So if it gets dirty, they would like to wash it and keep it again, for their baby to reuse it. This bunny, you can even do a machine wash. You can even have a hand wash with the soap. And no fading or any damage even after multiple washes. I have been using it for a longer time. From infant, toddler, from the baby to becoming a child. From so many years, I have been using this rabbit and my baby is still having this toy as a favorite. It's not that she just like the rabbit soft toy, she like the other toys also. The panda, the teddy bear. She has so many toys. She just loved it. She loved all the soft toys in her collections. Where can you buy this rabbit plush toy, soft toy? You can find it in Amazon, FirstCry, Myntra, Flipkart. There are so many websites. They are selling it online. You can even buy it on the local stores. Fun way to use this bunny soft toy. Sleep time. When your baby wants to take a nap, she likes to hold this rabbit and she sleeps it. In baby milestone photo shoot, you can even use this cute, cuddly rabbit in baby photo shoot. You can even birthday party decoration. You can use it. You can even in the gift basket one. You can add this on newborn gift basket. This is a perfect gift. It's not just a toy. This toy will make a memory for every child you'll give. Because soft toys are best for every kid to gift. They just love soft toy. Tell us in the comments below, which color of rabbit do you love? I like the pink one. Thanks for joining this soft and cuddly review. If you love this review, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. And this soft toy is for everyone and every kid homes. Every kid will love it. And if you want to buy this soft rabbit, you can find my link in the Amazon. I have kept this link in the video. You can buy it directly from there. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.